Hey guys, Ben with Surveyor coming to you from the Forest River studio. Today we're going to walk through one of our top selling legend floor plans, the 252 RBLE, unbelievable couples floor plan. This unit is 29 feet 7 inches from tip to tip, and it's under 6,000 pounds dry weight. It's got some incredible features, standard trifold sofa with a dedicated dinette in the slide out, all under 30 feet, private bedroom. Let's get into it. Really nice front end here, huge front window here on the Legend series, light up front, Forest River badge, dual propane setup here with the power tongue jack. You also have standard TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. It's going to monitor tire pressure, heat. Huge pass-through area here in this 252. You've got motion lighting up here, the switch for that front lighted badge, and then you've also got USB-C port for that outside charging capability. But you've got slam latch baggage doors on all your outside cargo doors, magnetic door catches as well. Nice big awning here on this 252, stretches almost the entire length of the unit with the built-in LED light strip. It covers your entry door, covers your outside kitchen, which we'll show you here in a minute. But you've got some really good features here, standard equipment on the Surveyor product, standard 400 watt solar with inverter prep. You're extended season ready on Surveyor as well. What does that mean? You've got standard 12 volt heating pads on the tanks. You also have a sealed and true heated underbelly, which means we've got a dedicated heat duct forcing heat to the underbelly when you're running that furnace. So great extended season setup from Surveyor that you're gonna get on our product. Standard Moride flip up step with the step light. When you turn on that porch light, it's going to turn on that step light. Great safety feature as well. You are Asdale constructed, so look for that Asdale sticker. We've got Asdale composite material behind all the fiberglass. So everywhere you see fiberglass on our units, you've got Asdale protection behind it. Let's check out this outside kitchen area here. Standard outside kitchen on all your Surveyor product. Nice pull-out kitchen here. Really good compact setup. I love how we set up these outside kitchens, so it gives you storage, outside kitchen on the outside, but really helps maximize the interior storage as well. It doesn't take up a lot of space. But you've got a magnetic catch here that actually locks into place, so a nice safety feature here when you're working in the outside kitchen. If the wind's blowing, that baggage door is not going to fall down. But you've got a place to put your Suburban Elite Series griddle here. This is where a dump sink would be, so you've got a place to wash dishes, wash other things off, but a nice water source. You can throw ice in it, drinks, whatever you want to do. You've also got a standard mini fridge here. You've also got hot and cold water on the outside standard equipment. In the rear here, you're going to have a standard spare tire with the cover, 2-inch receiver, backup camera prep, and roof ladder prep. You've got Goodyear tires as well. I think I forgot to mention that. So TPMS and standard Goodyear tires on all of your Surveyor product. Let's head inside this 252. We've got some incredible features inside this floor plan. Again, under 30 foot couples coach, private bedroom. You've got an upgraded theater seat here. A trifold sofa will be standard equipment, but we're showing the upgraded theater seat here. Built-in cup holders, dedicated booth dinette here in the slide out. You can put a theater seat here. You could put a trifold sofa here as well, so keep that in mind. But nice big windows here in the dinette area. I love a booth dinette. You can sit 4 people comfortably, eat dinner, play cards. Standard fireplace as well in the 252. Really nice heat source if you don't want to run that furnace. These put out a lot of heat, so you can turn that fireplace. You can turn the heat off as well if you just want that ambiance, which is super cool. Standard central vac. Huge kitchen area here. You've got a nice big ventilated window here in the kitchen area. This is a slider window. Big sink, pull-out faucet, giving you that sprayer that can move around. Tons of overhead storage as well. You've got a standard 21-inch built-in oven here with the cooktop. This is going to be a place to hold those oversized spatulas, things like that. It's actually a Surveyor cup that sits in there to hold those bigger utensils, knife block. You've got a cutting board here that acts as a backsplash, also fits in the sink, is going to double as your sink cover. Before I go to the bathroom area, I want to show you just this DirecTV viewing. You've got DirecTV viewing from the theater seat. You can also see it from parts of the dinette area, so really nice setup here in this 252. But again, you're getting a lot of versatility here at under 30 feet, which you don't typically find out in the marketplace. And again, under 6,000 pounds dry weight. Huge pantry here. You've got motion lighting in there. You've got some additional hooks to hang some coats or purses or whatever you want to do in there. You've got nets on those cubbies to keep everything in place. 10 cubic foot reefer, 12 volt refrigerator, going to run off your solar power, but 10 cubic foot reefer, standard equipment in all of our product. Nice bathroom area here, very spacious, porcelain toilet, tons of storage here, huge closet, got some hanging capability in there too, hooks for your towels, light up mirror, you've got some additional storage trays here and even more storage underneath, but you've got a slow close. Let me get out of the way here. Slow close retractable shower door. These are 82-inch ceilings, so it's going to accommodate you taller people out there, but we put the skylight in there as well to give you even more headroom. And you've got a 4-speed, high-powered bathroom fan as well. Let's check out the bedroom area of this 252. You can see even more storage here above the sitting area. You've got a standard 15K AC, ducted AC. You can see we've got AC ducts here in the bedroom as well. But I do want to mention you can put a second AC in here. So we option 50 amp service as a separate option, but you can put a second AC in here as well. You've got TV prep, but nice sliding door here, big entryway into the bedroom. 60 by 80 queen bed is what you're going to get in the Legend series, but some nice big windows. Look at how open this bedroom feels. Huge window up here giving you that natural light, but you've got a shade, a blackout shade here in the front too to keep it out. Nice cubby area. You've got built-in cup holders, power on either side. You've also got power and USB on both sides of the bed. And then check out this bedroom, this bed storage, excuse me. You've got a place to put a laundry basket behind, but you've got some really nice his and her pull-out drawers for additional storage as well. Oversized wardrobes here, drawers on either side. And again, we give you the overheads with the struts, making it easier to access that storage area, but just a really nice bedroom, tons of walk around space in this 252. Again, this floor plan is under 30 feet and under 6,000 pounds. So again, you don't need that full-size truck to haul this. So a lot of versatility from a traveling standpoint, but this has all the features you need under 30 feet plus more. And again, this is the 252 RBLE 2026 Legend. Thanks for joining me.